Make money online with CPA marketing. So in this video we're going to utilize completely new platform to do CPA marketing. So this video is for beginners. So before I'm going to start this video, make sure to subscribe Hustlers Club, hit the bell icon, and let's get started this video. So first step is you guys simply came to CPAGrip. So right now you guys can see I am in CPAGrip because I am going to promote CPA offers, and you guys know CPAGrip is one of the biggest CPA marketing platform. So I assume and I know a lot of people have CPAGrip account, and if any new person is seeing this video and they don't have CPAGrip account, what you guys can do, you guys simply click register. Once you click register, you guys can see this kind of page. So these are all the columns. You guys can fill out all these form and your account will be created instantly. CPAGrip don't need any kind of approval. Okay, so I have my account. I'm gonna quickly log in and then I'm gonna show you what's next. Okay, so right now you guys can see I am logged in my CPAGrip account. So once you log in, you guys can see this is the chart. So from this column you guys can see monetization tools. First, you are able to make money from these columns like content locker, file locker, video locker, and offers locker, right? So these are the ways to make money online, but this is a little bit complex and different ways, little bit difficult way to make money online. That's why in upcoming videos I'm going to share all these methods, but for now, simple method I'm going to go with like offers tools, and you guys simply click on my offers. So right now you guys can see once you click on my offers, you guys can see this kind of page. So once you see this kind of page, so these are small filters. You guys can see category, country, stats, and these are the filters. You guys can filter it out the offers, and if you scroll down, you guys can see these are all the offers, CPA offers, which you guys allow to go and promote these offers. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to looking for the highest payout. So right now you guys can see the highest payout is $2.06. So this is the highest payout, and you guys can see these are same offer but different type, means like this offer is only for desktop, only for iPhone mobile, and only for Android. Okay, and basically it's for mobile. If you click this, for example, I'm going to click on this, and you guys can see it says like enter a $10,000 now, means like you guys can see it's only for United States. Zip submit, basically it says like you guys literally submit your email and we are able to make $2.06. and make sure that we are promoting this offer only desktop user fill out this form. Okay, I'm gonna also show you how we're gonna go and promote, and you guys can see this is the landing page. So this is the landing page, and you guys can see landing page says your $10,000 entry is incomplete, sign up me. So basically the landing page, it says like you guys can sign up and you have a chance to win up to $10,000. okay, just sign up and you have a chance to win up to $10,000. So what are we gonna do, we're gonna go and promote this offer, but first we're gonna go and select an link. So how we're gonna select the link, you guys can see tracking link, and make sure all the time you guys must select a new link. If you select the old links, they will never work and you are not be able to make money. So all the time select new links, and you guys literally copy this link, close this link, and now I'm gonna show you how you guys can go and promote this link. So let's go, I'm gonna show you. So the second step is you guys simply came to this website. This website is called systeme.io, and systeme.io is basically a landing page builder, and I am showing this landing page builder a lot of the times because it's completely free. You guys literally sign up for free and you are able to create landing page builder. We need a landing page because nowadays not any website allow you to do direct promote their affiliate links. We need a simple and basic landing page. So that's why I show you systeme.io, and I assume like a lot of people have systeme.io account. If you guys don't have account, simply go and create a free account. So it's my free account. So what I'm gonna do is once you log in first time, you guys can see this page. So quickly I'm gonna click on funnels. So once you click on funnels, you guys can see this kind of page. So what are we gonna do, we're gonna simply click create, and in here I'm gonna add a name. So I added a name CPA USA and select custom, and I'm gonna click save. So once you click save, now you guys click this and literally add a step, and in here again you guys can add a name. So I added CPA, and in here you guys can select choose type. So I'm gonna go with like sales page. So once you click select, simply click save, and now you guys can see a lot of templates will pops up. So now you guys can see a lot of templates pops up. So literally you guys can go and select any template because we're gonna delete all the things from the template and we're gonna build our landing page from completely scratch. So I selected this one. Once you select this, you guys simply click this pencil icon and click edit page. So now you guys can see this template is open up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna delete every single thing from this template and I'm gonna build my landing page from completely scratch. So just give me a second. So right now you guys can see I delete every single thing from this landing page, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna build from my landing page scratch. First I'm gonna simply drag and drop that row here like this. Quickly I'm gonna click this, scroll down, I'm gonna click and go with like white background, and I'm gonna click this. I'm gonna drag and drop headline text, and I'm gonna click and copy and paste my headline. So that's my headline. I'm gonna go with like H2, and I'm gonna increase the size to like up to 50, and I'm gonna change the color a little bit, 10,000 into somehow green color like this. It looks good. Second is what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna literally again do this same thing, drag and drop that headline and copy and paste one more time, copy and paste like this, and I'm gonna go with like H2, and I'm gonna go with like somehow 28 to 30, and now you guys can see it looks like this. So the last thing is I'm gonna literally scroll down, and I'm gonna drag and drop that button here, because we need extremely simple landing page. We don't need a lot of designing in this landing page. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna literally copy and paste my call to action here. So I'm gonna simply copy and paste like this, and I'm gonna increase the size somehow 45. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna also change the text to somehow Google Fonts, and I'm gonna select this one, and I'm gonna remove my subtext, and I'm gonna also add one more thing is like called icons. Let's see. So if you scroll down, you guys can see this kind of icon. So first I'm gonna select this one. You guys can also, I'm gonna select another one. If you scroll down, and you guys can see again, and I added 2 icons, right? So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the color. Click this, and I'm gonna go with like somehow like green, and scroll down. I'm gonna also go with like background green like this, and I'm gonna also scroll up. I'm gonna add a shadow, like blurry shadow. It's completely up to you what you add, and let's go with like 10 and see. So I'm gonna add 25 for all. So I added 25, and now you guys can see this is how my landing page looks like. So still there are a few things is remaining. I'm gonna click on this background like this, and click this, and I'm gonna go with like black color. Click on this white background, and scroll down. First thing is what I'm gonna do, you guys can see, scroll down. I'm gonna add a shadow. I'm gonna also add a blurry type of shadow, and I'm gonna also go with like 10. So you guys can see rounded corners, I added 10, and you guys can see these edges is a little bit rounded, and it looks good. And now I'm gonna click on this button, and I'm gonna increase the margin. You guys can see margin, I'm gonna go with like 150, and now I'm gonna close this, and you guys can see still there are few rooms available. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click this and click on this white background, go with like left 200%, right 200%, and now let's see. So this is how our basic and extremely simple landing page that we need. And now we're gonna go and promote this link, but before you guys click this, and make sure you guys must add your CPAGrip link here. I'm gonna simply copy and paste my CPAGrip link here, and you guys simply click save. Once you click save, you guys can see this is my landing page looks like. Win $10,000 without spending a dollar. Click and learn how, click and win. So it's extremely simple landing page, and let's go. I'm going to show you how we're going to go and promote this landing page and make money. So let's go. So the next step is you guys simply came to this website. This website is called clickadila.com. So this is a really big website. We're going to utilize this website to go and start promoting our CPAGrip offer. You guys can see this is a really big and great website, and we're gonna utilize this website. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is scroll all the way up. You guys simply click sign up. Once you click sign up, you guys can see this kind of page. Like simply click select personal, first name, email, password, repeat password, select a Facebook name, and scroll down and literally click on I am not a robot and click sign up, and your account will be signed up. So I have my account. I'm gonna quickly log in, and then I'm gonna show you how we're gonna go and promote our CPAGrip offer with this website. Okay, so right now you guys can see I am logged in clickadila.com. so once you log in first time, you guys can see this kind of page. So once you log in, what's your first step? So first step is you guys simply click create a campaign. So first you guys can go and explore all these things. It's a super simple thing. I'm not going to give you overview. I'm going to show you the main point. Okay, what we're going to do, how we're going to get traffic. So we're going to simply click on create campaign. So once you click on create campaign, so once you click create on a campaign, you guys can see this kind of page. So you guys can see there is a lot of ways you guys can select to choose format. So there is a lot of different formats. So we go with like in this video, we go with like web push. So we're going to click on web push, and we're going to scroll down, and you guys can see we're gonna also enable in push. Okay, we're gonna in push, we're gonna also get additional traffic from in push. Now we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and you guys can see like pricing model. So we go with like CPC. We are not going with CPC gold, we only go with like CPC, and you scroll down and you guys literally select a recommended price. So in like you guys can see 63 cents you're able to like so basically you're in this platform you're not be able to set a specific budget, for example $5-10 a day. You only select a bid. So basically this is a bid like for 63 cents, 0.0063 cents is our bid. Okay, so now we scroll down and you guys can see choose a traffic, medium, high, or unlimited. So we go with like unlimited and scroll down and you guys can see create one. So basically in here we're gonna create a ad. I'm gonna click create new one, scroll down. First you guys can name your ad. I added a name CPA. Now if you scroll down, first thing is you guys can add your landing page link, but first I'm gonna add title and body. So give me a second, quickly I'm gonna add and then I'm gonna show you. Okay, and you guys can also able to see like button 1 and button 2. I'm gonna add it and then I'm gonna quickly show you. So right now you guys can see I added my small title, my body, basically it's a description. If you scroll down you guys can see like it's call to action, win now, click here. If I scroll down and you guys can see in here I'm gonna quickly upload 2 images. Like you guys can see the size of the images. Quickly I'm gonna upload and then I'm gonna show you my ad. Okay, so right now you guys can see I uploaded both images and literally I downloaded both images from Google. Okay, it's a simple random person image and it's a like win 10,000 cash neighbors. It's that image. If you scroll down you guys can see this is how our ad look like. So win $10,000, no investment. So it's not shows clearly right now, but it says win $10,000 without spending a dollar and without any investment. And you guys can see win now and click here. This is how our ad looks like on Android. This is how our ad looks like on Windows, and this is how our ad looks like on Mac. Okay, so what we're gonna do is scroll up, scroll all the way up. Okay, sorry, first you scroll down. So you guys scroll all the way down. So once you scroll all the way down and you added your landing page link and you guys literally click save. So you guys simply click save like this. So once you click save, now you guys can see ad selection and you guys can see selected ad from creative. So these are my previous and this a new one is CPA. You guys simply click this and now we are able to create campaign, but one thing is remaining. If you scroll all the way up first and you guys can see targeting, we're gonna click on targeting and you guys can see targeting. So select a country because our offer is only works in United States. That's why I'm gonna only select United States. First thing is you guys can also able to select regions, but I'm not gonna select regions. We select the whole country. Like connections, just ignore this. Like desktop, yes, our like offer only works in desktop. That's why I'm gonna select desktop. Browsers, so like we go with like any browser, we just leave it. Like languages, all the languages, and like operating system, leave it, and IP to also leave it. Now you guys click on sources. Again, if you want to do any blacklist or like whitelist, you guys can do it, but ignore this for beginners. Especially you guys can go to limits. So you guys can do scheduling, a lot of scheduling in here, but I suggest you guys literally ignore all these things and simply go back to general, scroll all the way down. Once you added all your things, like first, okay, I forget to add my campaign name, so I added like CPA US, and now you guys scroll all the way down and now we're gonna simply go and create a campaign because all the things are done. And now you guys can see what are we gonna do. We're gonna simply click create campaign. So simply click this. So once you click create a campaign, you guys can see our campaign is created successfully. So it will take some time to approve your campaign. Once your campaign is approved, you are be able to see results. So right now you guys can see our campaign is pending for approval. It will take some time for approve, but once your campaign is approved, you are be able to see results. Able to see results as well as data. How you guys can see your stats. So if you scroll this side and you guys can see like show stats, if you click on the stats, now you are able to see all the stats. So now you are able to see all the stats, like how many cost, how much money you spend, like cost, impressions. If you scroll down, you guys can also able to see like dates and like cost, like impressions, clicks, views, CTR, conversions, payout, like all these things you guys can easily able to see here. Okay, so this is how you guys can utilize this click ad. What is the name of this website is like clickadila.com. You guys can utilize this platform for CPA marketing, and this website literally give you quality traffic in very cheap rates. Okay, so with this method you're able to make money online with CPA marketing. So this is a completely new method, and I suggest you guys can go and test it and try that method, because this website gives you really cheap traffic. So you guys can spend $5 or $10 and try and test that, what kind of results you are getting. And remember one thing, all the strategies in this channel I am showing you is not working for everyone. Few strategies work for few person and not works for other people. Okay, so the results are depending on person to person. Remember this, and all the time keep in mind this. And now if you don't have any money to spend on ads and you're looking for completely free traffic method to make money online with CPA marketing, then you guys can go and watch this video.